In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view recent changes to your sheet in Smartsheet. Being able to quickly see what's changed in your sheet is really helpful, especially if you're collaborating with a team or checking on work that's been updated throughout the day. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also explain what you're seeing so it all feels intuitive. First, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet account. From your home screen or workspace, navigate to your project sheet. In this example, I'm opening a sheet called Project Sheet, but you can follow along with whichever sheet you're using. Go ahead and click on that first project sheet to open it in the standard grid view. Once your sheet is open, look towards the top toolbar area. Depending on your layout, you'll see various icons and options. We're going to use the controls that let you filter and highlight recent changes. Click on the option that's highlighted in the video. This will open up the panel where you can work with change-related settings. Next, you'll see another highlighted area in that panel. Click there to open the section where you can choose what kind of changes you want to focus on. You might notice an option that currently shows something like 0 selected. That simply means no change criteria have been chosen yet. Click on that 0 selected area so we can set up what we want to see. A list of options will appear, allowing you to choose different time frames or types of recent changes. Follow along with the highlighted sections. Click on each highlighted choice to select the kind of recent changes you're interested in. For example, you might be selecting changes from the last day, the last week, or another time window, depending on what's available and what you need to review. Each highlighted click in the video corresponds to one of these filter or highlight options. After you've selected the options that match the time period or criteria you care about, look for the Apply button. This tells Smartsheet to take those settings and update the sheet view. Click on Apply. Your sheet will refresh, and the recent changes that fit your selections will now be visually highlighted, making them easy to scan. Once you're happy with the view, you can close the settings panel by clicking on Close. Your sheet stays filtered or highlighted according to the options you just applied, so you can immediately start reviewing what's changed.